Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Nobody potato. Today I'll show you how to hack SAS Trade. So first you use SB game, then it does the requesting, yeah. So you go SAS. After that, you just wait for the loading. Sorry guys about that. So 12 minutes later. So guys, just skip it because it takes long loadings. But it would take like 30 seconds. So it's finished. Points. Then you just use SB. Type like 5,000. Then modify now. Click 0. Click it. Then have SAS box. Oh, this SAS box. Wanted boys. So you click 5,000. Modify now. 0. Modify. You brought C. Then it plus your coins. So it would work also on 2017. It would stop error. Even though it's error, you can still buy. They know it was a hack, so but you can still buy. It's nothing to worry. And so I'm just getting rich. So that's it. I think I got a lot. No, not yet. So if you want to hack the SB game, you can just download it in the link description below. Then just focus the description below. You can hack other games. You just comment how to hack using SB game. So like Pixel Gun, you don't know, just setting it and press CD, pressing that. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.